Hey everybody, welcome. Thanks for joining me and the Sidekicks for another video. Today's video is a BarkBox video. BarkBox. So this is my Sidekicks' favorite video. Let me make sure you can see them. And they are super excited about this, right? Wyatt's already chewing on the box. This is their favorite box. BarkBox is a subscription service for puppies. You get toys and treats. It's based on the size of your dog, so mine is based on Wyatt's size, $20 a month, and a box shows up every month for you. So let's see what's in here. It's usually a theme, and Wyatt's going to chew himself right through this box. Wyatt, we can just open it, buddy. We can just open it. He's so... Okay, hold up. Hold up. Okay. So this one is a Shakespeare themed box. Xena is all about the treats. Wyatt is all about the toys. So this is it says Shakespeare in the dog park. This is so cute. So it tells you some of the toys that you might get inside the box and always gives you some fun little things about the box. All right, so this was the first toy. To pee or not to pee. Is that not cute? To pee or not to pee. That's cute. What do you think of that, Z? So Wyatt, okay. That's so cute. What is this one? This one is Puggle Cauldron. Wyatt single-handedly just pulled every item out of the box. Everything is out. Oh, look at this. It's a little collar. Look at this. Wyatt, you want a Shakespeare collar? How about you, Z? Oh my, she doesn't like it, I don't think. It's a little Shakespeare collar. Why, Wyatt? You want to try it on? Okay, and Wyatt's found something. He won't even notice. Look how cute he is. He won't even notice. So he found something. This is pork chins. The other ear, it says Jones Natural Chews. And it has the little Made in the USA symbol. Hopefully you guys can see that right there. Okay. I started showing you this little toy. The Puggle Cauldron. Look how cute this is. That's so cute. Do you like that, Z? Okay, she's worried Wyatt's getting treats. But she's trying to open the bag. This is ham leg. Look how cute that is. Wheat-free, soy-free, corn-free, always. Always look at this. Wyatt's already tried to chew through the bag. Okay. All right. Let's open something up. Since Wyatt's trying to chew right through the bag. These are nice. There you go. Everybody calm. Oh, that one's bigger. Wyatt got a bigger one. Oh my. Okay. This one is All's Well That Ends. Bacon. Very cute. Bacon and spinach dog treats. Has the Made in the USA symbol. Is that it? Did we get everything? I didn't double up on this one, so this is going to be a short video. I'm loving this. To pee or not to pee. Okay. Yeah, so there's usually 2 bags of treats plus a little extra. This is my little extra. And always 2 bags of treats and then 2 toys. And I did not double up on this one. There's little squeakers in each one of these. And it's got the crinkly in it as well. All right. Let's check and see what this one looks like, the bacon one. You want to see this one too, Z? Look at this one. They're just little treats. All's Well That Ends bacon. And Wyatt's still wearing his rough collar, it says. You want to take that off? So it says rough collar. It's a free bonus item. And it says, we hereby give your dog this rough. Yes, it's really called a rough, R-U-F-F. Pull it over yon pup's head and take a BarkBox day photo or any exceptionally fancy walk. So we'll have to put this on and get a photo, huh? Too bad we don't have two. Xena doesn't really like it as much as Wyatt. She's not a big fan. But she looks cute, huh? Show everybody. Okay. All right. I think that's everything. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Xena does not like her rough collar. But thank you for joining us and spending a little bit of time with us. I hope you had fun. We certainly did. If you'd like to give BarkBox a try, I will. I'll take this off of Xena. I will put the information down below. And I hope you hit that like button. Oh, Xena's peeling out. Did you like it? Yes? Hit that like button. We hope you hit that subscribe button and join us for more videos. If you've already subscribed, thank you, thank you, thank you. Till next time, everyone, have an awesome, awesome day. Bye.